Hey, and welcome very much to our APARAVI channel. Today we're going to talk about a bit more about the use case of data prep. But what exactly means data preparation and what is so important about it and why is it so important for my, for example, AI project or whatever project it may be? There's a lot of data going on and I should really take care of what I take into my projects, shouldn't I? And that is more often a huge effort to put in. And my gorgeous colleague Anita will show you our 4 steps, how you can make it very easy, quick, and very efficient. So Anita, have fun explaining it, and you guys enjoy.
Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It's a great opportunity for me to be talking in another APARAVI's use case session, and today's mainly being data preparation. Firstly, let's understand what is data preparation, how it benefits your businesses, and of course, how APARAVI helps businesses prepare their right data. What is data preparation, right? In other words, it's called pre-processing. It's nothing but a simple act of cleansing and consolidating raw data before you feed it into business analytics or even machine learning, right? It's such an important step to validate, cleanse, and augment your raw data to derive the right outcome. Business leaders, they cannot make their right decisions if they are not supported with the right data. So everything that you can achieve inside your business model, it is only possible when you do this data preparation step at the very early stages of your project. Now let's understand how APARAVI helps you in preparing your right data. APARAVI does this in 4 simple steps. The first one being data collection. We acquire the data across various services and scan this data to understand your data estate inside your organization. As you see on my screen, we have scanned 4 different services here, ranging from AWS, Microsoft Stack, Microsoft Azure Blob, and even the SMB file shares, which is inside your organization. We can scan across all these services, give you a good dashboard to understand your data estate, and now make informed decisions, right? Second step being discovery. Discover now using the APARAVI's powerful metadata information that we have gathered using the scans. And from here, if you can see, you will be able to use our powerful query builder where you can build your own queries, narrow down what you need to get rid of or even what you need to take forward to your right project. And after this, you can cleanse. Now, what do I mean by cleansing? Cleansing is like there will be a lot of redundant data. There could be a lot of obsolete and trivial data. There could be a lot of data which contains PII. So all of this data is probably unnecessary for your project, and it can be even a risk to carry them forward. So keeping that in mind, you can eliminate this data, and the last step being transform or migration, which is that either you want to transform this data into another data format, or it can be that you would want to migrate it into another server or even into the cloud. So this step is kind of clearly explained here with today's use case that I have taken a simple one where I've considered a couple of file categories as trivial. This is subjective because each organization treats different file categories as trivial. And so as per your needs, we can consider whatever file categories you wish. And then the date range, right? I've considered all files which are older than 6 weeks. And in this case, you can find them all, give this to your IT admin, which can help them cleanse the data or even give them an information on what they would like to do with this information. And now the data is prepared. So either get rid of this or copy this data or back it up as you please. Once this is done using APARAVI's data action, you could now migrate this data, this clean data, into another server or even into a cloud. I hope you found this information quite informative enough for you to understand APARAVI's data preparation use case. Stay tuned for more, and until then, goodbye. Thank you very much.